Better late than never. Better late than never. Better arrive late than not arrive. Better do something late than never do. Describe something that finally happened. Drive slowly and safety, because better late than never.
小心开车，迟到总比没到好。
The firemen finally came to rescue us. Well, better late than never.
消防员终于来救我们了，算了，总比没来好。
Call it a day. Call it a day. Stop working on something. Usually because of tired or bored. I am done with it, let's call it a day.
我受不了了，我们不做了吧。
My colleague just announced that he will call it a day soon.
我的同事刚刚宣布，他将要辞职了。
Cutting corners. Cutting corners. Taking shortcut to achieve something. Skip certain steps. To do something in easier and quicker way. I am cutting corners on the way to school, since I am already late.
我走捷径去上学，因为我已经迟到了。
The worker was fired when found out that he was cutting corners during his job.
当那个工人被发现他在偷工减料时，他就被开除了。